The first step is to start making your homemade whipped cream. You're going to start by adding some vanilla extract, a dash of salt, some heavy cream, and powdered sugar. I personally like to leave my mixing bowl and my mixing utensils in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes before I start baking. It helps to keep the whipped cream at a perfect texture, and it'll keep it at the right consistency. Then you're going to turn your mixer on for about 5 to 10 minutes until you get it to the perfect consistency. And this is great making homemade whipped cream because you don't get as many chemicals as if you were to buy a regular Cool Whip, and you can have it as unsweet or sweet as you would like. Once you get your whipped cream done, go ahead and set that aside in the refrigerator and go ahead and start slicing up your strawberries and bananas. Once you get your bananas and strawberries sliced, go ahead and place a thin layer of the whipped cream that you made along the 13x9 baking pan. Continue on by just adding your graham crackers along the bottom of the 13x9 pan. This is going to make about 12 to 16 servings, and it doesn't have to be perfect. If you can't get all the graham crackers along perfectly aligned, you can just go ahead and break them off and fit them accordingly. As you can see, I couldn't get the graham crackers laid on there perfectly, so I just broke them off. And then you're going to go ahead and add one more layer of the whipped cream before you start adding your fruit. Now for this part, you want to add a nice heavy layer of strawberries. This is going to be the base of the cake, so go ahead and don't be afraid to add as many as you would like. Once you get that first layer of strawberries, you're going to go ahead and add your graham crackers. This is going to be the second layer. And then from there, you're going to go ahead and add, of course, another layer of your homemade whipped cream. Now go ahead and add a layer of bananas. I personally only wanted one layer of bananas, so I just cut up 3. I didn't want the bananas to be too overpowering. Now this is the final layer. Go ahead and add your graham crackers to the top. You're going to add your homemade whipped cream one more time, and then you're going to top it off by adding your fresh strawberries on top, and then you're going to let it chill for about 4 hours before you serve. And there you have it. There is your homemade strawberry and banana icebox cake with homemade whipped cream. This is great for the holidays, under $15 as always. This is going to serve about 12 to 16 people. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section down below. Go to marvelousnesstv.com for a full written tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one.